Tapos ito friends, ang ano ba dito? Ang pangit ng ano niya. Pero makinis naman yung loob niya. Yan. Pero hindi ko masyado. Mas gusto ko yung sa una. Ayan no. Oh, 'di ba? Hinog na siya. Ito pa. This one is not very, I think this one's gonna ripe. Look at him. Oh, 'di ba? Ang gamit ng picker. Kasi ayaw niya na pumasok. Pasaway ka din hanuhan. Yeah, I think I'll get this one too. Do you think it's okay? Because it has yellow, you see? Do you think?
This one's good.
Oh, that one. Look, that one. The other one. Get that one.
This one.
Yeah, it's gonna ripe. And this one too, right?
Another one up here.
Hold on. I cannot hold it.
Right here.
Oh yeah, that's yellow. Yeah, it's gonna ripe. So this one also. Okay, I need the basket. We need more basket.
Yeah.
Hold on. So ayan friends, ito oh. 'Di ba? Oh, yellow na siya. Yan. Here, Han. Is this one yellow? Nope.
Wait,
No, that one is yellow. You see? Yeah, that one. Go get it.
which one? This one?
Here in the top. There's two. Look, I cannot reach it. I need the picker. That one too. And then wait, I'm gonna get this one here because I can reach it. Here. You see? I can reach this one.
Oh, one like that's good.
Yeah. That one? No. See? Hindi naman sila ganun sira lahat, friends. Pero, nakakalungkot din kasi madami-dami rin siya. What? That one? Yep. Yeah, that one.
Another one too.
You got it?
Yeah, come here.
There's another one. The one in the top.
Oh, that one's almost ready.
Tingnan nyo yung ano.
The one up here?
Oh, apan. Hold on, I'm coming. See, napuno na yung isa. Yun pa nahulog.
This one.
Yeah, that one's perfect. Yeah, that's good. It's really.
Like fishy.
Seems like it's not ready because
Pretty hard.
it's kind of hard. Yeah, this one's nice.
That's good.
Yeah,
Let's take
there's
them off.
not a lot of black stuff. Hold on. I think there's,
Yeah, take them off.
no, the one that,
My basket's full. Got more mango.
okay. So let's go get,
Anything there?
yeah. We don't know when to harvest this. Yeah, we need to search in YouTube. So comments down below, friends, if this is ready. Ang ating pomegranate. Kasi, ayan pa, madami dito. Ayan oh. See? So, hindi namin alam kung ready na siya or hindi, or na-overripe na ba siya. YouTube na lang natin. Okay, let's go to the other mangoes. How about that one? There's nothing in that one? Wala. That's the small ones. Look, the pickering. There's only 3 left. We already got the other one. Because you see how small is the tree. And this one, which is we don't know the variety. Tapos ayun siya, friends, yung parang Indian mango dyan sa atin. Nagkanda hulog-hulog na rin. Mayroon na rin siyang hinog. O, diba? Ang liit lang. Okay, let's go to the lemon meringue. Do you think the coconut cream is already ripe?
No idea.
Diyan tayo kumuha.
It's better than before.
Tapos ito pa yung bagong tanim natin na, what kind is this again? I already forgot. The cotton candy. O, diba? Naglapitan lang sila. Malunggay natin, ang daming bunga. So, di ba last year, friends, yung Valencia natin, madami siyang bunga. Pero pagkatapos namin kinalbo, nung may bagyo, ito lang yung bunga niya. 2 lang yung natira. honey, look, the other one fell down. So this is the only fruit we have, two of them. I think I need to bag them so we can at least try this year. Yeah, it looks nice. This is also good, friends. The Valencia. Yeah, they are good also. Napadpad na naman tayo dito sa Aratilis. Sa Aratilis natin. 'Di ba? Hindi mapalagpas-lagpas. Pagdaan, kukuha. Oh, nandoon siya sa isa na naman. Sa Sugarloaf. Have you seen ripe one? Wala. Nothing, nada. Wala. But Pitumba got a lot of fruit.
Yeah.
A yellow. See?
You'd make me some jelly or pie. Your sugar apple's big.
Yeah, no. Look. There's nothing here in the Sugarloaf too. Wala rin? Walang hinog ang ating Sugarloaf. Oh! Spider web. There's one in hiding, honey. But it's okay. I think we're good. Bakit nag-number 2 na itong aking? Wala. Kasi ang laki ng dala mong lalagyan. This one. It's gonna ripe in the counter. But we want it like ripe from the tree, right?
No, that's good. Yeah, what about that one?
You wanna get this one? Oh, yeah, you can get that one. Here.
Fell right on.
Yeah, here. Yeah, this one's good.
Yeah, these are okay.
Maybe tomorrow or the next day. Even this one, but we're not getting it. Ayun. Wala na. They're rotten. Ayun na, nandun na siya, friends. Nakakuha siya ng siguro mga 6 na lemon meringue. Galing dito. Nandun na. No, that's not ripe. Nandun siya sa bayabas. Sa guava. Guava. Come here. Let's go look the coconut cream. Mango. There's no bayabas yet. Come on. Ayan, may nakita pa daw siya. O, diba? Nanunungkit pa. Tingnan nyo yung langka, friends. Parang siya dito. Yung papunta lang dito dahil nandito yung araw. Kasi sa likod niya, natatakpan siya ng kawayan. So, halos yung mga sanga-sanga niya, nandito lang. Yan, you see? Pati itong ating isang mangga na namdukmay. Dito lahat yung parang dahon niya or sanga, wala sa papunta doon dahil sa araw. O, diba? Kain na naman ng mulberry. Kasi ang daming hinog ng ating mulberry, friends. O, diba kung saan-saan na lang tayo dumadaan. Ito, madamihan. Itim na itim. Hinog na hinog. Yan, papunta tayo dito sa ating coconut cream na mangga. O, diba, kumain na ako ng mangga kanina. Kumain pa tayo ulit ng sarisa. Ano nga yun? Aratilis. Wala pa hinughan.
Huh?
Wala hinog. Aking. Saging natin. Walang linis-linis. Mulberry. Okay. No ripe also. I guess this is it. This is only for my video today. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye. Mag-iingat po kayo. God bless.
Which one, the banana?